So guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to renew the batteries from your DWA the Diebstahlwarnunganlage. My son already got 2 batteries. It's an easy job. So come on over here and I'm going to show you. First thing I'm going to do is take the connector off. Normally it should be easy. Okay, we got 4 Phillips screws. And I think over there are the batteries. There is a tiny connector over here. Poke it out, and over here is another one. 3 and 2. No. Then it holds a screw here. A little one. Do it like this, it's better. Now open. Yes, there are the 2 Duracell batteries. Hop. Watch the polarity. And that one. Then way it's a Varta. If you look at this, if it's the same, yes, it's the same. CR123A. Okay. So, oh, okay. And then we have his brother, I think. And that one goes, mind the polarity, eh? On this side is the plus, and where the spring is, it is the minus, the min, as we call it. So first, then up. Okay, that was all. Ta-da. Then, oops, mind the wiring. And then the 2 teeny mini little screws. One over here and one over there. Not too tight, it's plastic, so be careful. These are the old ones. Now, okay, and then we look at the seal, if it's like here is a bit of, so that it's all clean. Yeah, okay. Noting that this is the impression of that, so it needs to be like this. Up, up, up. That's it. Then we have again the 3 and the 2. The 3 had to go in here. Carefully up, slide it in. Yep. And this one goes over here. So, oops, up nicely in place. Better seal comes first on this side. So, guide it all the way around. Yep. Then lower it. Watch if it's everywhere nice in place. It is. Then screws back in. So now we're gonna gently, okay, not too tight. This one is alright, and this one is also alright. I'm gonna give the connector a quick, oh, okay. Done. Click. Job done. Easy. So, that was my quick video about how to renew the batteries on your DWA unit. 2 batteries, 6 screws. Easy. I hope you liked this video, short one. And for now, old mechanic.